Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we talk about the Dogecoin and new event. Can Dogecoin hit $1 in a event or not? Elon Musk tweeted also about the Dogecoin that they goes to moon and this April month they make millionaire and this month, friends. So in this video we talk about the price prediction and according to technical analysis what change goes and Dogecoin and the coming soon days. First of all, we look the price change occur in Dogecoin. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, so kindly make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates. As you can see here, the price change occur in Dogecoin. As you can see here, the current price of the Dogecoin is about 0.410856 USD dollar is the current price of Dogecoin, friends. As you know about the change occur in the Dogecoin, absolutely a big pumps occur in the Dogecoin in the previous days. As you know, the last 1 hour chain is positive, the last 1 day chain is also in positive, and the last 7 day as a absolutely positive change. Very nice. I like Dogecoin. I love Dogecoin at this time, friends. And the market rank is about 5 is the market rank of Dogecoin. Now let's see for more details. Let's check it out the last 1 hour price chart of the Dogecoin. What's the prices goes and the Dogecoin at this time in the current situation, friends. As you can see here, the last 1 day price prediction chart as on the screen. Look the change occurred in the Dogecoin in the last 1 hour. So the last 1 hour chain is about 1.25%, and the high price of Dogecoin is about 0.411884 USD dollar is a high price of Dogecoin in the last 1 hour, friends. As you can see here, now in this time they gradually fast down for a little time, friends, but don't worry, they are in the jumping mode, friends. Now for more details, we have a look at last 1 day price prediction chart. What's the change goes in the last 1 day. After that we look the technical analysis and we will try to detect what's the next target of Dogecoin. As you can see here, absolutely they will move upward very fastly like a rocket. So actually Dogecoin goes to the moon shot. As you can see here, the change occurring in Dogecoin in the last 1 year as about 37.44% change occur in the Dogecoin and the last 1 day, friends. And if we talk about the high price of Dogecoin, so the high price is about 0.418784 USD dollar is a high price of Dogecoin, friends. Now let's see the technical analysis. On the basis of technical analysis we decide that what's the next target of Dogecoin. As you can see here, so at this time currently level Dogecoin is in the falling mood. As you can see here, that is the resistance level and that is a that is the support level and that's the resistance level. As you can see here, they move like this, so it's not possible for a Dogecoin to hit $1 USD dollar tomorrow or next day. That can hit $1 USD dollar with the end of this month. Remember that they cannot hit $1 USD dollar in the April. They hit in the last of this month, 27-28 April, that will hit $1 USD dollar, friends. If they continue this kind of travel, as you can see here, there is a jump, so there is also fast occur. That is why they can't hit $1 USD dollar in this April month. They hit $1 USD dollar in the last of this month. What's your opinion about Dogecoin? Can they hit $1 USD dollar in this month and this April? Please share your opinion in the comment box and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates about Dogecoin.